because my cough gets really badly at night lately, so I can only record on my way home before it starts. And these past few days I've been waking up coughing, so I haven't been sleep well at all these past few days, like only 4 to 5 hours a day. And there have been very few customers this week, so maybe it's told me to rest more. I just hope I can get better soon. It's been almost 8 days, and I had 2 customers today. They only took 20 minutes and 30 minutes massage, like just for neck and shoulder. But after finish massage, they book for 90 minutes. So it's good. It's a good day.